Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
And if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. Okay, as you guys may or may not know, I told you guys in the video that I did my hair that we were under fire evacuation watch. So you're going to see those pink sleeves on those pajamas for quite a few videos because baby, listen, I was on a marathon trying to get some heads done in case we had to evacuate. We had everything packed up, ready to go, and I was just like, okay, until they tell us to evacuate, let me do some to their heads in case I have to go. But let me show you this. Oh, beauty, I love it. Anyway, yeah, so we were on evacuation watch, so I was trying to do something to the heads. I had to rule out, okay, whose head I'm gonna do in a in-depth hairstyle, who I'm gonna do simple. Oh, I love that. I love that. Beautiful. Can anybody say twist out? Can anybody say that? I'm just saying that's what came to mind when I looked at it. Okay, but anyway, focus. Okay, so I was doing her hair simple. You're gonna see other videos, like I said, because I had to try to get everybody's hair done while we were on fire evacuation watch, and that's one of the scariest things in the world. So, oh, isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, focus, focus, focus. This is my focal point. I'm giving her a ponytail. I'm twisting her a ponytail. Her hair has been moisturized. I don't know if I told y'all in the beginning, but I stretched her hair. I washed it and I stretched it. I let it air dry. So those braids was me stretching her hair. So now at the focal point is where I want her ponytail to come together. So if it's hard for you to find where you want your ponytail to come together, create a focal point. That always works. It always helps. Oh, let me tell you guys now. We are having a Black Friday sale starting today, and it is 20% off of the bundle, the Power Pack bundle. So if you order a detangler and a styling aid, that's the Power Pack bundle. We are giving you 20% off. So take advantage of that. That starts now and it goes through Sunday. After Black Friday goes through Sunday. So I just want to let you guys know that. Um, I'm parting her hair. You guys know I am not the queen of parts, but now it's worse because I'm under time strengths and so I wasn't finna be playing around because I'm like, okay, let me get this taken care of so I can move on to the next head. And it was horrible, you guys. It was horrible. But I wanted to give her something that was a protective style, that was versatile, and that she could wear for about 2 or 3 weeks. That was my goal. That's what I wanted to do. And I'm just showing you guys how I part. And I'm parting up on an angle. It's like an arch because all of my braids are going to meet at that focal point. My spray bottle, if y'all interested, hit me in my email for a spray bottle. You guys have been loving those spray bottles, and thank you for your support. Those spray bottles, they're not on my website, but I bought a bunch of those spray bottles because I had you guys in mind, and I sell those spray bottles for $6. So if you bought the bundle, we don't charge you additional shipping. We just ship it in with the bundle. But if you buy by itself, you can buy by itself if you don't want to buy the products, which I'm sure you do. So that's not even a question. But just in case, um, the spray bottle can be purchased alone or purchased with the bundle or detangler, styling, whatever. So as we move along, I want you guys to notice this is how her hair stays moisturized. And this is how her hair is going to fight frizz. The styling aid is a moisturizer, but it also fights frizz. It has a very light or soft to medium hold depending on how much product you layer on her hair. So I'm going to put it on her ends because her ends are the driest part of her hair. Now the styling aid I put it at the root because that's what's going to fight the frizz. So as I twist, usually the root of your hair gets frizzy first. That's what's going to fight the frizz, and it's going to work down the length of her hair, and you'll see that in just a moment. So as I'm flat twisting the styling aid, it's on my fingers, so it's moving down the length of her hair. And then when I get past so far, if I need to, I'll just add a little more before I get to the ends. But as you can see, I'm twisting up on an angle. You guys see I'm going up on an angle. And if the hair gets tangled, detangle it and keep twisting. like so. Now I've done that side and I'm doing the same thing. All of my twists are going to lead to that focal point. They're going to lead to that space that I showed you guys at the top of her hair because that's where I want her ponytail to go. If you have not done so, also check out our family channel. It's Just Us. I'll put the link to that in the description. Also, I don't know if I said it already because I have a lot going on around me. I don't know if I said it already, but the Black Friday sale starts now and the code is Give Thanks. GIVETHANKS. Give Thanks. That is the code word. Two words. Give Thanks. So that is the code to get 20% off the bundle. That is when you buy the detangler and the styling aid. Now I'm going to show you guys how I flat twist. So I didn't speed this part up because I wanted to show you guys how I flat twist using the product. Now I comb through her hair to make sure that it is no tangles or anything in her hair, and then I just start the flat twist. So you twist and grab a piece of hair, twist, grab a piece of hair, twist, grab a piece of hair. Now don't grab large sections of hair. This is what makes your twist come out really neat. If you grab big sections of hair, I'm gonna be honest, may not come out so cute. But when you grab small sections of hair, it makes them look individualized. And I hope that makes sense, but you can see it looks like almost like how you do stitch braids, but they're twists. And that's the way I love my twist to look. Now, the rest of this is just self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to let you watch it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have questions about the products or the spray bottle, if you're interested, email us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com. And also, again, the Black Friday sale starts today. Please, guys, don't wait till the last minute to order your products and put the pressure on me to get your products to you on time. Please order your products now. Get your products so you will have them. Go buy your turkey, then order your products, and then get your sides in that order: turkey, ham, products, sides. That's how you do that. So you'll be cute. Even if you just present a turkey or a ham to the table, you'll still be cute. You'll still be put together. You'll still be laid. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful Sunday. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below. Any questions about the products, email us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.